Welcome to the Shady Place. In this episode, we make it back to our home state, Virginia, visit some friends and family, then explore Belle Isle and Richmond. I'm Shay, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Floretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country.
Okay, so today on the day in life of the Shady Place experience, we're headed to Virginia and our rig is registered in Virginia and we don't have our state inspection sticker. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to take Thoretta to get her inspected so we can travel around Virginia worry-free. So we made it to the Ford dealership. We're gonna go get her inspected and we'll see you in a little bit. We passed! now that we got that crazy crap done, we're gonna finish the rest of our to-dos. We gotta get some fuel and some water for Thoretta. And then we're gonna be headed to our spot. We're going to the woods for a couple of days before I visit my yaya. Woo! Shay's getting the map together and we'll go ahead and head on the road. All right, so we made it to our campsite. That's 58 right there. It's literally like right off the highway here. You can see. Hey, Rusty. Not too bad of an overnight spot. There's a creek right down there. It's always nice. We're only going to be here for a couple of days, so this is perfect for what we need. So yeah, we're going to my grandma's house, so I'm not going to be filming. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off. So I'll see y'all in a couple of days. Hi. All right, so I'm all done visiting my yaya. It was a good visit. It was nice to see her, and I did like loads of laundry. Did a lot of laundry. But now we're in Danville. We've kind of just spent all day here at the Danville Memorial Park. Like I said, this is our hometown, so we had to make some calls and see what we're gonna do in Virginia. Tonight we're probably gonna be staying at a rest area. So that'll be real fun. And then tomorrow we'll head on out. I don't know exactly where we're gonna stay. Shay's out walking Rusty right now, so we'll figure that out later. Hi. Oh. Did you have a good walk? Did you have a good walk? Oh, sniff, 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 sniff. Cheers. Good morning. Oh, it's hot. We did figure out what we're gonna do. We're gonna be headed to Amelia. And then after that, I think we're gonna go visit with Shay's parents. Oh! Welcome to Shay's parents' house. So we got Thoretta all plugged up and Shay's doing a little bit of work on her roof. Here, let's go see what he's doing. What you doing, Shay?
Sealing up the roof.
Yeah, doing a little bit of work while we're at your parents' house, huh?
Yeah, it's good maintenance. We got a couple little leaks, but it's good to do every year. Mm-hmm. Get this stuff all over me.
He's using the Flex Seal. That stuff is great, y'all. If you ever need a little tidbit, or hey, sometimes it's just good to have around just in case you need it.
It's one can down.
One can down. I think we're gonna do like 2 coats. Today is our last day at Shay's parents' house. We're gonna be leaving today. Tomorrow we'll start our Richmond adventures. Until then, we are on the road. We're gonna do a little Richmond tour this go around, y'all. We are headed to Belle Isle.
Yep, we go for a little walk around Belle Isle. There's nice rapids right on the James River. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Whole lot of rocks. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go! Piedmont is like just down this road. We're gonna go ahead and park Loretta, make some lunch, and then start our little Belle Owl adventure. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We're gonna go take a little quick hike up these stairs, and then we'll show you Belle Owl. We used to come here a lot when we were kids growing up. God, that was like back in 2008. But the water is really flooded right now, but usually it's so low you can hop across all the rocks, and I don't know, it makes a sweet spot in the summer. Here we go down the stairwell. Oh my God, when we were kids, a couple of our buddies would climb up. That's called the pump house. They'd climb up to that thing and jump. So you'd climb up to either the second story or the top there and then jump and hopefully land in that little pool of water right there. I give you the pump house. A little closer up. That's what some would do. I never did it, but I've seen a couple people do it.
They welded the door on here, so you can't go in.
You can do the ladder if you really want to.
Got a ladder.
I used to live there. That was my first apartment outside my mama's house.
From the foothills to the sea, those Piedmont blues are calling me. Coming in for landing. Those Piedmont blues are calling me.
I think we're just gonna walk around for a little bit longer. Do a couple more of the trails. They kind of just go around in the same area, and then we'll head back to Loretta. Now that we've moseyed around in the woods for a little bit, let's go check out the rapids. Oh man, it's high today. First time we've stepped foot in the James River in like 2 years, man. Dead rock. They painted over it, but it used to be a steely face, and every year the city of Richmond paints over it. This is where we would chill when we were kids. We'd come down here to the river. I know it's not like beautiful naturist, but when you live in the city, this is all we got. That was fun. That was fun. So I think we're gonna call it a night. So I will see you tomorrow. Delicious. So we're looking at the weather right now, and it's like raining right now, and it's cloudy and it's windy. Today we're gonna do some to-dos. We gotta get some groceries, and there are a couple other little things that I want to do, and then we'll be heading over to Shay's sister's house. So yeah, this will be our final little family visit, and then we'll be back on the road. So one more time, you guys. I thought you got tired of the hand, so I used my head. Now today is our last day at Shay's sister's house. Gave him a haircut for the road. So yeah, we'll be leaving tomorrow, and I don't know where we're headed, but we will figure that out. Thank you for letting us stay here. Family, love you guys. Mwah.
Not everything is like the movies. Not every front porch will glow. All I need is a place to hold on to, something to call my own. All I need is a place to hold on to, something to call my own.
Have a good one.
Bye.